Namaste everyone. Today we will do some simple stretches and yogasana that we can do when we are on periods and experiencing menstrual cramps. The reason we get menstrual cramps is because our uterus gets contract and blood release out from the body. So if we do these simple stretches, then our pelvic muscles get relaxed and it helps us to get relief from the pain. So now we are going to start it. At first, sit in Badrakonasana, or it is also called butterfly pose. You should keep your back straight and keep your leg just forward from you. You should not keep leg near you. So we are going to keep them forward and then slowly bend downwards. Relax here for a while. Then inhale and slowly come back. Now we are going on our knees. Keep your palm on the mat. Now we are going to twist our hip on the side and twist hip on the side and look at your hip. Come back and same on the other side. And come back. While we are twisting our hip on the side, we should exhale and inhale and come back. Exhale. Inhale and come back in the center. Same on the other side. Exhale. Inhale and come back to the center. We are again going to repeat this. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and come back in the center. Now we are going to sit in child pose. Bend your knees, put your hand in the mat and bend your head on the mat. Relax and sit up. Now we are going to lie on the mat. We can also make our hand on the side. Bend your knees. Relax your abdominal muscles and pelvic muscles. Keep your hand on the side and we are going to twist our knees on the side. While we are twisting them on the side, we should exhale, then inhale and come back. Exhale. Inhale and come back to the center. Exhale. Inhale and come back to the center. We are again going to repeat this. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale. So these are the simple stretches that we can do while we are having menstrual cramps. When we are facing our menstrual cramps, at that time we should take rest because our whole body get pain, mainly our uterus get pain. So we should relax and rest. And if we do these simple stretches, then it helps us to get relief from the pain. So keep exercising, be fit and be healthy. Thank you.